Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate SiteGround affiliate marketing for US customers, full guide step by step clearly. To activate SiteGround affiliate marketing for US customers, visit the SiteGround website. Scroll to the bottom of the home page. Look for the affiliate program link and click on it. You will be directed to the affiliate program information page. Read through the details to understand the benefits and commission structure. Click on the Join Now button to begin the application process. Fill out the registration form with your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a secure password for your affiliate account. Provide details about your website or promotional methods in the designated fields. Read and agree to the terms and conditions of the affiliate program. Submit your application for review. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation email with your affiliate login details. Log into your SiteGround affiliate account using the credentials provided. Familiarize yourself with the affiliate dashboard and available marketing tools. Generate your unique affiliate link for SiteGround services. Use the provided banners and promotional materials if needed. Start promoting SiteGround services using your affiliate link on your website, blog, or social media. Monitor your performance through the dashboard for analytics and commissions. Stay updated with any promotional offers or changes in the affiliate program. Engage with the SiteGround affiliate support team for any queries or assistance. Continue to optimize your promotion strategies to increase conversions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.